Do you want some more broccoli? Do you want some more broccoli? Oh, there you go. Oh, is that no good? What's the matter? Do you want some more broccoli? Okay, you can have some more broccoli. See, you like broccoli, and there's no cheese sauce. There. You like to help eat broccoli too. Some more. What's that? What's that you're doing? Ew. Are you dancing for Mom? What's that you're doing? What's that? Well, you gotta suck your thumb first. That's broccoli? No? Oh, Mom got it on your face. Here. Some more? There you go. No? It's already in your mouth. You gotta swallow it now. Just a little bit left. One more spoonful. No? Yes. One more spoonful, okay? One more spoonful, then we're all done. Yep. Melanie. One more spoonful. There. Good job.